Hello and welcome. Now in this video, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to talk another feature that we can get benefit of it, which is opening the Google Play Store automatic or programmatically. Okay, we are going to add a button that once the user click on that button, we are going to open the application in the Google Play Store, and this will be very handy. For example, if you want to make the users to rate your application. Okay, and as you can see, we have just a normal layout. It's contain only a button, okay, and with some style and also an ID. Going back to the main activity.Kotlin, here we have fetched the button, okay, and here we are setting an on-click listener on it, and now here we are going to set everything. Now what we can do, once the user click on this button, we are going to type something. We are going to use for example, how to open it programmatically, okay, using the intent. And what we need to do, we need to use something called try catch. Now the try catch will be very handy if we have an errors, okay, that will handle any errors that maybe we are going to get. Okay, so in the try, we are going to try the first case, and in the catch we are going to try another case. Okay, so I mean by this, we are going to try to open it in the Google Play Store application. Okay, but if the target device does not have the Google Play Store application installed on it, we need to find another solution. So here in the try, I'm going to start an activity because we are going to use the intent once again. I'm just going to type intent. Okay, and in this intent, we are going to specify the Google Play Store application. Okay, so I'm going to type dot action, intent. And here it should be intent. Let me specify the type of intent, which should be like intent. Okay, dot action view. Okay, we should search for the action view here, action underscore view. There we have it, and we need to parse it, the URL of our application. Okay, so just add a comma, then here we are gonna type the URI dot parse. Okay, we are going to pass it the URL of your application. And to get it, what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, just open double quotes here and just type market. Okay, then colon, then / double / then type details. Let me spell it correctly. Make sure that you are spelling it correctly. Then the question mark, then ID, it's equal. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to add this $. Okay, and the package name, and you can get the package name typing the package name. Okay, we should see the package name here, and you will be in a great place. Okay, so this is the first case. If the Google Play Store application installed on the target device, that means the application will be opened in the Google Play Store. If it's not, we need to open it in the browser. So we need to type catch. Okay, we have it right here, and we are gonna do the same thing. Okay, we need to start an activity. So just type start activity. We should see the autocomplete. Okay, the catch we should here we're specifying the error type. Okay, so if we have any error, we are going to handle it. Okay, for example, I'm going to create a variable called error. Okay, it's equal to or of type Android dot content. Okay, then we need to specify the error that maybe you are going to get. Okay, so activity not found exception, just type it like this, and here we are going to add our code. Okay, so I'm going to type start activity. Once again, we are going to use the intent. Okay, here we have the intent, and the intent should be the intent dot action view once again. Then the URI, once again, we are going to parse it. So type URI dot parse. Okay, and here the URI will be different, so you need to type, we are gonna go open it inside the browser, so just type https. Okay, then colon, then / then play.google.com. okay, then what we need to do, we need to access the store. Okay, then after the store we need to go to the apps, then the details. So just make sure that you are spelling everything correctly. Okay, details, then question mark, then ID. Okay, it's equal to the $sign, then the package name. Okay, and everything should work just fine in this case. Now I think everything, it does not need too much focus on it, because it's something that we can do it very easily. Okay, here we are trying to open the Google Play application, and here we are gonna open it inside the browser. Okay, so as a web page. Thank you guys. We are gonna run on a real Android device, and let's see how it will work. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have our application up and running, and we have the button, and if we click on it, as you can see, it's asking us to open it with the Google Play Store. I'm gonna click on just once to open it in the Google Play Store. Of course, this application, it's not released in the Google Play Store. That's why it says item not found. Okay, but if you have released it, then you can see the page that's responsible for your application. Okay, so that was our feature about opening the Google Play Store and rate page inside your Android device. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to continue on in the next video.